Hello everybody, welcome back. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm here at the allotment doing a few things, or actually just a couple of, maybe just one thing today. I'm not sure, it depends on the weather. The weather's gonna dog decrepit and it is winter, but it's okay. And it's the mildest winter that the UK have experienced in a very long time. So we won't be getting that snow-covered Christmas, because today is the 24th and tomorrow is Christmas Day. But as you can see, I'm out here in the allotment because this is where I thrive and I think I love it more than anything else. And yeah, let me show you what I've been doing this morning since I've been down here. Let me take you guys over there and show you and explain why I'm actually doing this as well. So yeah, guys, I have been pruning back my pear tree to let a lot more light in and just to kind of trim it up. And this is the perfect time of the year to kind of like give it that new life. Some people say you should have done it in a little bit later. Some people don't even prune their trees, but the tree is growing out of proportion and I want to get my trees a little bit lower so I can reach my fruit. You know, look how tall that is. This, I cut this bit down already right here using that Seika item that I received and reviewed I think it was a year and a bit ago now. The greatest thing I ever received was that, and it's still in action doing great things out here. So right now I'm gonna cut a little bit more from here, open them up, take out all the like dead ones, all the crossover to open up more life. And when you prune a tree, you're gonna have more growth next year, but I want to keep it limited to down more lower or reachable. So I'm gonna, this one here, I know this is crossing over this section here. I don't know if you guys can see. This one here is crossing over there, so I want to remove this right now and let that one kind of focus its energy. I mean, I'm going to still keep some of them. I might not prune it all the way back because they will grow. This is an established conference pear tree, so it will do its job when I need fruit. But I just wanted to reduce it and have it more lower reachable. So as you can see, there's one, this will grow back out there and it will put on new growth throughout the year, the spring, and it's going to save all the energy. Fun fact about trees, you know what happens with the leaves when it comes to colder time? What it does, it retracts all the energy from the leaves, and because it's not going to have much sunlight, take all the energy and store it in the tree itself, you know, keep the energy here, so then it comes back out when it's ready to give fruit or put on new foliage. So really interesting. I'm just trying to get it down to a little, because I haven't really done much dramatic thing to it, but this year I decided to do a major cutback. So let me do what I need to do and show you the result of this pear tree and how it would look once I finished. Look at this, guys. This is the one I cut right back last year. This is the apple tree that I have that had apples on it, but they didn't produce, they didn't stay on. And look how much it's grown back within that period of time. So I literally cut it all the way back. I'm gonna show you where I cut it from before. This is from last year, so you cut it there. Look, there's one already growing back here. Look, cut all these nodules that you see here is where I cut it, and it's growing back, putting on more, and it's reachable because it was growing out of proportion. And I'm going to give you one more year next year and see if you can hold fruit for me. And yeah, let's see. I don't even know what variety it is because someone else put this on the allotment, but I've, you know, gone round and trimmed it up, kept it low. You know, look, all the cuttings that I have. I might actually take this one off this year, let it focus its growth and hanging over. I don't want it to be all the way up because I just took one out from here. I want to keep it at low level where it's hanging over. As you can see, it's literally hanging over. I'm gonna have to do something to this, just a little bit of nip nap here and there, just open it up so the fruit, it can focus and grow to a beautiful fruit tree. As you can see, that one is way up there. I can't reach that. If they're gonna stick, but this is, you don't have to do this yourself. I would advise, you know, acknowledge yourself a bit. I'm learning as I go, and the tree never failed me for all the time that I've pruned it back a little bit. Some people can cut it back dramatically and it still produce fruit, so I want to kind of like keep this pear tree lower so I can not climb it all the way up or having it more to me and open more lighting as well to the growth as well. So let me go and do that and show you in a moment. So guys, look, I've cut through center area there. I want you to go have a look at my face, how much dust. I don't have a mask, so look at my face. Got sawdust or the tree stuff when he's cutting through with his chainsaw all over me. It's fine, comes with it, but you gotta be careful when you're out here. You really need to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, ask someone to give you a hand. But yeah, let me show you. I've opened up this space here that had all these hanging over, and I want a little bit more light to be focused through there, because I'm actually contemplating, because I do have in a pot and I have a garden bed here, and I'm actually considering putting it here aligned with the other fruit trees that I have here. So not just the fact that I'm pruning it, I'm thinking about putting another tree here, another fruit tree, which I actually would enjoy to have. So yeah, that is it for the moment, guys. Look, I've taken out a bit of it. Look how much I actually had to climb up and just trim off this, and I try to always make sure they're very as close as clean cut as possible, because they will put on more foliage when the spring kicks in. So I'm not too worried about it. It's not gonna die, don't you guys worry. It might look like a big hack, because all of these, I'm gonna chop all of these up and put them in the compost bin when I do have the time. I'm gonna start to do some of them today. But yeah, guys, I'm still out here gardening. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is, you have to keep stuff up to date. So once that growing season starts, you're going to be ahead of the game and really starting to focus on the soil and feeding it. So yeah, keep calm and garden on. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands. Hope you guys are amazing. Hope you have a very good holidays and a fantastic new year when it does arrive, because I'm gonna be still out here gardening even in the snow, because I need to keep these bad boys going, you know. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to take care of yourself and the planet, because we just have to. See you guys next time.